The 2026 Limgene Defender Falcon Edition takes the bold personality of a luxury off-roader and pushes it into an entirely different league. From the first look, this SUV feels aggressive, futuristic, and premium all at once. The front fascia features a redesigned Falcon-inspired grille, ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, and a muscular bumper design that instantly gives it a commanding road presence. Every angle of this machine looks carefully sculpted to balance rugged strength with high-end luxury. Moving along the side profile, the massive alloy wheels, widened fenders, and satin black accents give the Falcon Edition a more exclusive appearance compared to the standard Defender-inspired models. The floating roof design, hidden door handles, and aerodynamic detailing add a modern touch while still keeping that classic boxy off-road DNA people love. At the rear, the vertical LED tail lights and redesigned tailgate create a clean but aggressive finish that stands out day or night. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Limgene Defender Falcon Edition feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. Premium quilted leather covers nearly every surface, while ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors in multiple customizable colors. The panoramic glass roof opens up the interior beautifully, making the cabin feel spacious and futuristic. The seats are heated, ventilated, and even offer massage functions for maximum comfort during long drives. Technology is another major highlight here. A large curved infotainment display sits in the center with a fully digital driver cluster behind the steering wheel. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. There's also a premium surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Rear passengers get their own entertainment controls and climate settings, making this SUV perfect for both luxury cruising and family adventures. Under the hood, the Falcon Edition is rumored to come with a twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain producing well over 700 horsepower. That means this massive SUV can launch with surprising speed while still maintaining efficiency thanks to its hybrid assistance. Acceleration feels instant, and the adaptive suspension keeps the ride smooth whether you're driving through city streets or rough terrain. Off-road capability remains one of the strongest features of this vehicle. Multiple terrain modes automatically adjust suspension height, throttle response, and traction settings depending on the environment. Sand, mud, snow, rocks. This SUV is designed to handle them all with confidence. Advanced all-wheel drive and electronic locking differentials provide extra grip in extreme conditions, while the high ground clearance allows it to tackle obstacles without hesitation. Safety technology is equally impressive. The 2026 Falcon Edition includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and advanced driver assistance systems designed to make both highway driving and off-road adventures safer and easier. One of the biggest selling points of the Limgene Defender Falcon Edition is exclusivity. This isn't just another luxury SUV. It combines high-performance engineering, ultra-premium comfort, futuristic styling, and true off-road capability into one package. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads everywhere it goes while still being practical enough for daily driving. For buyers looking for something more unique than the usual luxury SUVs, the 2026 Limgene Defender Falcon Edition delivers a bold personality, powerful performance, and a premium driving experience that feels both adventurous and sophisticated at the same time.